This shit cool. Yep. Set y'all up. Alright guys, welcome. And my name is Dwayne. We're moving the shop. Now we got all this was on the outside. So now we're going through bushes, and then we got this big stump that we had cut. It's still here. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I tried to move it out the way, but I couldn't move it by myself. That thing is heavy. So I've been using it as a table, chair, stool, stood, whatever. But then we got the carport stuff right here. And the problem is, all this stuff been sitting here, and then it got wet, and it's heavy. It was heavy bringing back here. So now I'm trying to move it, it's heavy. So what I'm trying to do is just go over it. And I've done it because I moved over that stump before. So come on guys. Come on, Vominos. Everybody, let's go. What she say? Son, to it. You can do it. Nope. Gotta go high. When they go low. When they go low. Yeah, you know it. Big dog. I'm stepping there. There might be some stuff in that. I don't know. I have to watch my camera. I wasn't too snug with it's that action camera. Uh-oh. Battery going dead. Alright guys, I'm gonna hit y'all back up in a minute.
They have the wings on tracks.
Oh, there you go. Alright. So it's a 20x20 carport. This right here. It's 20x20. So I want my slab. I was gonna do a 20x20 slab, but I don't want my slab to be 20x20. I want to have some room off. You know what I mean? Just in case it ain't perfect. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do a 20X20X13. I'm gonna do 24x24. That give me about 4 feet on all the sides. Wait, that's a little big, huh? Maybe 22. However big these damn boards are, that's how big I'm gonna do it. So these bitches 8 feet. I'm getting 3 of them. 8, 16, 24. They look like they're about 8 feet. So, and all this wood is reused, recycled. So that's why I'm having to do extra. Got some stuff set up. I'll be kind of marking the Marking where we at. You seen when I was talking about when I was with the boards? So they 7 by 9. So each one would need like 3 inches. So that's the last one. So I gotta cut like 9 feet for each side.
Oh, so you want me to cut all the boards by 9?
No. It's just this one. It's just this one over here. We gotta cut in 9.
To 9? Okay.
Yeah. To make each board 8 feet.
8 feet?
Yeah, because they all 7 by 9. Most of them. I think this one was a little longer.
Okay, I'll get them all. So I need to cut all of them 8 feet. Okay.
Well, they all 7 by 9. So you just gotta cut that one and add it on to each side.
So each one of these is 7 feet long?
It's 7 foot by 9 inches.
They cut them all 7 foot by 9.
Yeah, that's what I said.
But you messed me up. You said 7 by 9. I'm like, so put it down on the ground. Yeah, it's better measure. So we looking at 20. So which one to give it? 21 or?
We do 22 to be give us a foot on each side just in case.
22 here.
It's Mr. So-Car, guys. Big dog. So.
Went up under the house and everything else.
Oh, under the...
Yeah, you can't pull them up. I mean, you can't dig them up. You dig them forever.
Okay.
So I was just going to tie a chain or something around and snatch that one out and snatch this one out because the 2x4 goes against the wall.
Okay.
And then we can go ahead and do the things and then we can see.
Do we have to put it on against the wall? Because like, will we be able to like tie the cement into that cement already? And then
no, cement, you can't tie cement into cement. So what you do is you take cement and the cement and you take mortar mix.
Okay.
And you put the mortar mix between the joint.
Okay.
And that combines it, because that's what holds bricks together.
Okay.
That's what we're gonna do there.
All right.
Well, first of all, you know what? We're not going all the way out anyway. We're only going
right here.
Yeah, halfway.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna pour the other halfway. So whatever form we make, we're gonna keep that same form and move it over there.
Okay.
So yeah. We gotta. Is this where the tree stump was?
Right here where that pile was at.
That might be a problem.
Yeah. This what it was right here. But they pulled it up and grinded it all the way down.
Okay, they did? Okay,
Not pulled it, but they cut it and grinded it.
Oh,
I had to grind it.
We good.
So all this is just wood chips.
It's wood chips.
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta get me a truck. Oh yeah. That's what we're saying, y'all. Baby steps. I got that big old log that's been there forever. Got that moved. That's why I need me a truck. That's why I need a truck. Cause had I had a truck, I would have had dinner out that already. But the truck I had was broken down. So this all good. It's moving out. It's good now, yeah. So we got all this space. Dang, I thought I was on a wide. There you go. Got all that space. I could fit 2 cars right here. So if I just get 1 car, cause it's gonna go from there to there, and then from there to there. So right now, I'll be in the middle of it. So I can get 1 car in here and have all this space. That's gonna be nice. I have plenty of room to move around it. I'm about to move the truck in. So, not in, but I'm about to move the truck down here. I need to go get my camera. I'm doing too much on my phone. If I'm doing this all on my phone, there wasn't no need for me to get the camera. But But so yeah, from here over, I don't think I pulled in enough. I didn't. I gotta go up some more. Not this one. Not this one. That one. That's where we coming from. Oh, and this, I had a pole actually here. That's where I had my tent when I had the big tent up. So we got room in the front. This is about from there to the car. That's maybe about 2, 3, 4 feet. That's good. That's plenty of room. Now doing a bumper, that still might be a little tight. But that's why I kind of take the bumpers off. But man, look at all this space. It's crazy. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice. Let's go look at it. The 6, ooh. 6. So that's the top. This one. I done damn hurt my ankle. So they're from this one over. Oh, so the back is tight. The back gonna be tight. I'm gonna be right up on it like this. It's all good. Cause what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in at an angle and I'm gonna go to the side and have it diagonal. So I'll come in from the side and diagonal it. And see if maybe that'll give me a little bit more room. Or I might just make it longer on the ends and add on to the carport with like some wood or something. You know what I mean? Just to make it give me that extra foot or 2 so I can put the whole car in here. I mean, I can get it in here, but I might say that nah, we're gonna add it on. So 21, because these 7 foot, there's 21 by 21. So we say maybe going long way, 21. So this will be 28 by 21. I like that.
I don't know why it's acting up, but I had it for so long.
Hey, as long as it works.
Yes, I'm saying. I'm fine. It can run it off if it wants to. I don't give a fuck.
What's that? Oh, gas?
Yeah, prime it. That's what I'm doing, priming it.
Oh, okay. That's gonna be nice.
Huh?
So that's gonna be nice. The concrete.
Oh, yeah.
I've been working on dirt all my life. Nah, just way.
Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
Trying to do the whole thing at one time. So we got the foundation done. We drilled, all of this is scrap material that he had at his house that he tore down at one of his properties. He tore down, so I ain't have to buy no wood. I had the nails. Yeah, so we drilled them together. we put them together with this one, and then this one holding it in the ground. So when that cement hit it, it don't bow out. Lay this down, and then unscrew it from the ground. Pick the whole thing up and put it on this side. Lay it down, and then yeah, like a whole nother pad. Then we'll have a drainage for the water in the middle. Yep. I sprayed some grass killer on it. SoCar sprayed some on the day before, so we killed about all of that. But it was some more spots that we missed, so I came last night and I sprayed all of that and all of that over there. There's a couple little spots too, like over here, all of this. So about this evening that should all be brown, and then we won't have to compact the ground. I mean, it makes sense, but still, it wasn't that much. We could have dug that shit up, leveled it out, and packed it down in half a day. But I mean, when people doing stuff for you by the grace, for free, you don't complain. You know what I'm saying? Oh, buddy, helping. Mr. SoCar is helping me tremendously. So I will not, you know what I'm saying? I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. I was looking for my, I don't know what I was looking for. Yeah, I'm not tripping. So, close this up. Hey, this thing got doggone. This thing right here, it's over-reliable, boy. This is over-reliable. Go to the back, and I said I wanted to do the roof on this today. I sprayed that grass and weed killer, and it killed all of that. Spray all of this over here. It's like, I'm gonna try this, you know. So they did pretty good. Killed all of that. It's still a spot missing, but hey, I got most of it. So we're gonna go get the cement today, or some of the cement, and see. He be moving, cause he got time. I be trying to get stuff done, so I'm gonna start laying it today. And as long as it don't rain, we should be good, you know. Yeah. All right. SoCar left his gloves. We're going to get some more cement. Mr. SoCar. So we done got 15 bags. 15 bags of cement, 80 pounds. So this time we're gonna get 20. We get 20 bags. We're gonna make 2 more trips and get 20 bags. That's gonna give us 55 bags of cement. Oh, and look at what they did for us. They came back and restocked it. So I ain't gotta do nothing but slide that in over. Right, I'm gonna do it like this. Nah, they just restocked it.
Damn.
I said thank you. Now we just slide it on.
Slide on off.
last time I was here struggling.
Remember we gonna get fired from outside? Cause this cart, I don't know if you gonna push this cart. If you put 5 more in it.
That's fine. That's fine.
All right, as long as you can push the cart, I'll load it up. As long as you can push this motherfucking cart, we can pull it together.
We got to see. We gonna turn it around. No, it's easier to push.
Okay.
We just turn it this way.
That's what I said.
So let's turn it that way.
It's still the same.
We on the rock, see?
Yeah,
That thing ain't moving.
I know that. I told you 15.
That thing. That thing is saying, gee. Alright. That's gonna be funny. Did we get
15.
We got 15 left.
Yeah.
Why is that moving?
Take another one. Take another one of that bitch. You didn't put another 50, what, 80 times 5? What, 400 pounds of the fish? Yeah. You wanted to move? Look, see? Damn, son.
What's that? You turning it?
No, either way, let's pull it out. Pull it out, son.
It's easy now.
Yeah, now turn it this around.
Boy, it's tired. Man. But we got the... Look at all these chickens. Man, you talking about some work. That's some work, boy. This is 55 bags. Hopefully it's enough to do this whole area. Pour it out, spread it. I done seen it a few times online, but we're gonna bust the bags open. My mouth is dry. It's cement. Gonna bust the bags open, take the paper out, spread the cement, and then level it out and just mist it, and it'll get hard without. All right, guys. What's that? 1 bag or 2 bags? That's 2. Do you think we need to put a little piece of metal in there, or that's gonna be straight?
Your driveway don't have no metal in it.
No, it don't.
And all the driveways don't. So, and this 2x4 is what they normally for the concrete with.
Okay.
So, I say 4 inches is what the code goes by, the thick enough so it won't crack from the weight of the trucks or vehicles.
Yeah, cause they stay on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, guys, about to get it in. All right, guys. Up there is 55. This is another 30. We still got another. Yeah. You're not gonna have enough. Go get you some more. It's already hard. Look. It ain't hard at all. It's getting better. I done had cats walk through it. Yeah, Cleo walked through it. At some point in time, I was just like, bruh, I don't even care.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
it, yeah. Still drying. I want to step on it. It's still drying. It ain't dry all the way. I'll let it dry for the rest of the day. I'll see if we can take these foams out and do the other side. But when I do that side, I'ma order all the concrete and have them deliver it here instead of going back and forth. Because that was the hardest part. I ain't gonna lie. Loading the concrete on the truck and loading it off. That was the hardest part of doing this. Sitting and busting the bags and spreading it out, that wasn't that hard. Like I said, we was doing it all at one time. So it got dark right here. That's why we kind of got this from up here. Going across, we couldn't see. And we learned stuff on doing this one, so that's why it's gonna be a lot better. Like these posts that we did on the outside, we gotta make sure they flush or cut down, so when we slide the board across, it won't hit, and we can make it smooth. That's why it's like that, cause that thing was there, that post was in the way. So we kind of went around it. And it's like that on all the sides. They are too high. So, like I said, you learn as we go. But it looked good. I like it. Hold on, let me give you a front view. Yep. Putting down another coat. We done moved the forms. Most of it was dry. There was some on the bottom that hadn't dried all the way, but that's okay. Once that water hit it down here, I'll probably do the other side when I get back. We gotta finish this truck. I'm thinking sometime this weekend, between this week and next week, we're gonna finish that truck. Yeah. And then with the money that we get from the truck, we'll go and get the rest of our cement and finish this part. But it looked good, don't it? Yeah, boy. Let's go back, son. I'm great. And then both of our customers came at the same time. Was you know? Oh yeah, we did it on the face.
One time. Let's see if that smooth it out. The right side. Go back toward this, go back this way. No, I got that. Only piece misses in the middle right there.
Okay.
Now get back.
to take the trash out the trailer. I didn't get enough bags. I only got 100. We used 120 over there and it still was enough. So I don't know what I was thinking. That's what I get for being cheap, though. So we done got about almost a quarter of the way. That's 100. So we probably need about 20 or 30 more bags to finish up, but next time we almost there. We almost there. Well, that's some work, boy. I'm grateful though. Grateful. Yeah. This 100 bags. I should have went ahead and got the same amount or if not more I did the first time, but that's what I get for trying to be cheap. Trying to be cheap. It ain't cheap if you ain't got it. So I gotta make a store run. Get about 20 or 30 more bags. That's the front right there. $3 shit. Yeah. I'm taking the boards out. And it's still a little soft down there. Let me take the whole thing out. And then I'll soak it down again. I'm supposed to be using a sledgehammer. Oh, I can use it too, huh? Wouldn't that be awful if I just dropped the sledgehammer in it, landed on the concrete and sent it crack all the way? But no, that would be horrible. There you go, friends and family.
Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit hoe.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
That's been drying all day. You can see it's still kind of wet, but it's dry. I done soaked it a few times, so yeah, I ain't really worried about it messing up. So we're gonna move this to where it's supposed to be, and then we'll start setting up. And instructions. That's what we got. We got the instructions. Bring the legs out. That's the first box. And I'm gonna open the boxes off first and see what they are. I know those over there are the roof. But right now I just need to find the bottoms, and then I find the sides and the roof, the anchors for the roof. So yeah. Alright guys. I'm about to move the truck. But this is it. I'm gonna put this back over here. And we'll start setting the carport up.
Said son.
What a day. The frame, the actual frame was easy, but putting it, it's a little unsquare, but I ain't tripping. I'll square it up once I decide where I'm gonna put it at. But this shit is huge. We got room. It's an echo in here. And we still got some more of the siding. But he got some siding. This Soka got some siding from his old house. So yeah, this thing is huge, y'all. It's huge. Like, I'm gonna have plenty of space in here. Let me
I don't know what you gotta do.
Alright.